We feeling good today. I feel really good about today's possibilities. I feel like today is gonna be a day where I make a big bang. And the reason why I say that, I don't know. I just feel it, man. I got my do's and don'ts in front of me. I got my trading plan as well in front of me right here that we're gonna follow. Right now it's 9:28 a.m. and we are scoping the scenery. Now, what I realized yesterday is the normal wait for price to hit a confluence like a 4 hour or 1 hour fair value gap and order block. And I wait for even if it's a higher time frame liquidity sweep, I would normally wait for like a 5 minute displacement and then a retrace into that 5 minute displacement fair value gap. What I'm going to start doing now is instead of waiting for a 5 minute retrace or 5 minute displacement, as soon as we sweep 1 hour or 4 hour liquidity or any higher time frame liquidity level, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute time frame to wait for displacement on that time frame. So for instance, in this case on NQ, we took out these 4 hour highs, right? And we already displaced to the downside. Now this candle was definitely because of news, but on ES, we're still going to the upside, or we're still rallying up. So when market opens, we should be able to take a sell on ES because ES is the one that is lagging behind when it comes to price action. And what do I mean by that? This is divergence. This is currently SMT divergence happening right in front of us. If NQ sweeps a high and displaces downward, that's the correct move. That's the price. That's where price needs to go for both pairs. So the fact that ES is the one that's still lagging behind, that shows that ES is the weaker pair. It's gonna have a better move because it came up all the way up here to go down, and NQ is already going down. So I have more profit potential with ES. Alongside with that, the DXY, we're bullish. We swept lows. We swept 4 hour lows on DXY. The DXY goes against the NQ and ES. So if we took out 4 hour lows and we are displacing on the DXY on the 1 minute time frame, then that would mean on ES and NQ, we should be displacing to the downside because the DXY goes against both pairs. But yeah, market just opened up. It's 9:30. I high key want to take sells. That's just me though. I really want to take sells unless we have, do we have anything else to, let me see. The 4 hour is bullish on both. The 1 hour, we took out 1 hour lows. We also took out 1 hour highs on NQ. There's really no fair value gap or order block because there's no displacement on the lower time frames. Yeah, there's really nothing. I am expecting a possible reversal right here, but I could be wrong. We never know. We don't know. Market just opened up, so it's gonna manipulate. I think around 9:50 we should be able to get the real move of what price wants to do. Now this possibly could be a break of structure because I have here in my trading plan that with SMT divergence, if one pair sweeps a higher time frame liquidity level but consolidates and the other pair continues in the direction of the sweep, then that could be a possible break of structure. So for example, if NQ took out these 4 hour highs and kind of consolidated after taking it out, which it did here, but ES came up and it's still continuing in the direction of that bias, of that sweep, then we could possibly continue in that direction. So this could be a 4 hour break of structure, but I'm not going to lie. I don't want to just take a trade right now because I know as soon as market opens, we usually manipulate before going to the right direction. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to wait for my 5 minute fair value gap entry and then displacement out of that, because at least that gives me enough time. That gives me 15 minutes, because one 5 minute candle, two 5 minute candles, three 5 minute candles, that should be able to give me enough time to see, like, by 9:45 if we're still going in the bullish direction, But the DXY is bullish. So it took out these lows, so we should be going to the downside. I don't know why it's moving up right now, but I'm gonna wait and see. I don't want to just enter right now off of this 1 minute sweep, because market just opened up, and I know from experience that this can be a fake out. It can definitely be a fake out, but I could be wrong. Who knows? But I'm gonna wait until how much ever time, if I get my 5 minute confluence here, and then we'll take a trade off of that if we do get that. But yeah, guys, I just have a bit more refined approach to my strategy now, and I'm definitely going to make a strategy video coming soon. But the reason why I'm refining my strategy, I'm not changing my strategy, I'm just adjusting my strategy, because yesterday I realized and many days in the past I've realized that I've been missing trades off of higher time frame liquidity sweeps, just simply off waiting for a 5 minute fair value gap retracement that we never get. We usually always get a 1 minute fair value gap retracement and 1 minute displacement, which is a confirmation that the 5 minute is soon to follow. But I've never gotten I've missed a lot of trades just by waiting for, the 5 minute fair value gap to get tapped into, and then the 1 minute displacement. I'm still going to use that logic when it comes to if price were to tap into a higher time frame order block or fair value gap. I'm going to wait for a 5 minute displacement and then the 1 minute displacement out of the fair value gap. But when it comes to liquidity sweeps on higher time frames, I prefer to use the 1 minute now as opposed to the 5 minute. That's just me though. But yeah, man. So we're gonna wait and see. Let's just pretend that we took this trade. Market opened up at 9:31, so I would have entered up here. Stop loss would have been beneath the liquidity sweep, a little bit below. We would have been in a lot of drawdown. I would have went for a 1 to 2. We tapped into this fair value gap right here. 1 minute fair value gap. See, I would have definitely been down a fat ass bag right now, just off of being impatient. Now with NAS, let's see if we would have won or lost. NAS is a lot more volatile, but stop loss would have been down here for 1 to 2, whatever. We have this 1 minute fair value gap that got tapped into. Now we still would have been in profit on NAS. But I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything. I don't have any FOMO right now or anything of the sort. We're not even displacing on the 5 minute time frame. There's no displacement. There's no fair value gaps being created. Only on NQ. But we'll see. If we can get a 5 minute fair value gap form and then a tap into it and then displace on a 1 minute out of it, I'll take that trade. All right, but yeah, guys, I will be right back when I have a setup and when I'm in a trade, and I'll explain to you guys why I took that trade. All right, guys. Wait, whoa. Why am I on paper trading? Hold on. Oh, I may have missed my entry. Log out. Trade of 8. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just missed the entry. Hold on. So, okay. Come down, come down. All right, guys. Now, the reason why we are in this trade, the exact reason why we are in this sell, I'm going to explain to you guys right now. On NQ, yes, we may have, or we didn't even displace above those 4-hour highs. We came up all the way up here. What I did not realize was these are 4-hour highs right here as well too. It's currently 9:58, so we have about 2 minutes till the 4-hour candle closes. We have these 4-hour highs up here that price swept, and on the 1-minute time frame tanked off of. I mean, like absolutely tanked off of, right? The DXY took out 4-hour lows. It took out 4-hour lows. We didn't displace yet, but it took them out. And the DXY has a opposite relationship to currency pairs like NQ and ES. So usually what happens with the DXY is the opposite to what happens to MNQ and ES and stuff like that. So right now we're in the trade. We swept the 4-hour highs. I'm going for a 1 to 2. We have 1-hour liquidity resting right here. That's my next draw on liquidity. 30-minute. No. We have 15-minute liquidity here. 15-minute liquidity here. Now, guys, in this case, the stronger pair or the correct move is with NQ. Because it took out liquidity and it's displacing to the downside. So ES is soon to follow. ES should displace. It's 9:59 a.m. About to be 10 o'clock. 4-hour candle is about to close in 3 seconds. Holy bejesus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? 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 Bro. Bro. How? What? I'll take that. I will take that any day, bro. Oh my God. Bro. Huh? Bro. Are you kidding me? That doesn't make any sense. That does not make any sense, bro. But I mean, that's it, guys. That is literally it, bro. Like, see, look at the DXY now. Like, that is, I'm done. I'm done for the day. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Friday. Perfect. I was going to put my stop loss at break even here, but I didn't even get a chance to, bro. Bro, how much? I will take that any day. I don't even know how much I was in the trade and I see up 400 and then instantly up 800. Like, bro, what? Huh? I don't know how Orange Folder News did that, but hey, I guess I got to look out for Orange Folder News now. Huh? Bro. $871 in under 10 seconds, bro. $871 in under 10 seconds. The account now is at 5869. But wow. So that is what you call a freaking liquidity sweep, ladies and gentlemen. 4-hour lows is right there. Like, I'm at a loss for words right now. But yeah, guys, I'm getting off. I'm gonna enjoy my weekend. I hope that you guys capitalize off of today. I don't even know what to say, guys. I'll see you guys Monday, man. I'll see you guys Monday. Have a great weekend. I'm done.